Okay, now that you've written 3 questions about what you want to know more about severe weather, let's look at the table of contents and see if we can predict which section of text you will be able to locate information to answer your questions. Remember from our last text that we did together, the table of contents can help us in several ways. First, it gives us the chapter titles and what page each chapter starts on. But you can also use the table of contents when you very first start a text to help you see what topics an author is going to cover and how the author might organize that information. We can do that with our table of contents here. I'm going to read it to you now. It starts on page 3. Table of contents: introduction, building blocks of weather, temperature, air pressure, wind, moisture, thunderstorms, tornadoes, hurricanes, typhoons, and tropical cyclones, blizzards, storm safety, and glossary. Okay, I want to give you a quick example of how we're going to practice this skill in this text. I have a question about severe weather. I have 2 little girls, and my youngest one is 3. And when we're out playing in the backyard, she asks me sometimes, "Mommy, what makes the wind blow?" Or, "Where does the wind come from?" Well, it looks like maybe in this text, I'm going to be able to find some scientific answers for her. If I look at the table of contents, I see on page 10, the author has included an entire section on wind. So for my question, where does the wind come from? I'm hoping that I can quickly locate information to answer that question starting on page 10. But I won't know until I read the text. So let's get started looking at where we think we're going to find information when we start reading the text tomorrow.